Listen to the sound of the rain. There's something magic about it, don't you think? Not just the sound, but the feel of it, the smell of it. So many people avoid the rain wherever they can. And sometimes you can't help but wonder why. It's just a bit of water. You're not going to shrink. You're not going to melt. What is it that we're afraid of? Why do we dread getting wet so much? Why do we shudder and recoil from the touch of rain? Now, the rain is just distilled water. It's moisture that has been through the evaporation and condensation process. Rain, for the most part, is pure. It's clean. I say for the most part because air pollution, radioactive isotopes in the atmosphere from carbon emissions, it does make the rain slightly acidic in some places, not everywhere, but mostly in built up areas, like where I am. But the pH of the rain it's negligible. You would never notice. But other than that, the rain is pure, clean water. Rain has been thought of for centuries, millennia, as a cleansing aspect of nature. Depending on where you are in the world, rain is a life giver. Where we in the north avoid the rain where we can, the people in the south, in hot climates, they pray for rain, they dance for rain. They call the rain in. Because that water from above nourishes that which is below. That's something we always need to remember. The rain nourishes not just the plants of the earth, but also us, humans, animals, spiritually, not just physically. Sometimes it's nice to just get out in the rain for a bit. Step outside. Let it soak you. And just relax. Feel the rain wash away all the heaviness. All the residue, the grime that life puts on us. Just standing in the rain for a while, listening to it, feeling it, taking in the smell of the wet earth. It strips the auric body, the light body, of all of that miasma. Leaves us feeling lighter, fresh, renewed. Maybe that's why we're scared of the rain, really. Because many of us become so used to the stress of everyday life, the worry, all those negative emotions that we experience from day to day, sometimes we come to identify with that. Sometimes we come to feel that it is part of us. It's part of who we are. It defines us in some way. We become dependent on it. Maybe we're scared that the rain will strip that away and all that's left is our true, authentic self. Maybe we're scared that if all of that is stripped away from us, we'll suddenly be free to make decisions, free to take action, free to take responsibility. But isn't that the whole point? Sometimes it's good to just let go. And that's what the rain helps us do. The rain is the love child of the sea and the sky. The sea deals with our deepest emotions and our psychic intuitions. The sky deals with our intellect and our communication. You marry those two together and suddenly you have something which balances heart and mind, emotion and reason. The rain embodies that balance between the masculine and the feminine. It is purity. It is balance. And if we allow it, it can liberate us, it can cleanse us, and it can balance us. So if you're feeling stressed out this week, if the working day has got you down, if you feel as though you need just a little something, a little pick-me-up, or you're just feeling heavy, whack on a t-shirt and some shorts, something you don't mind throwing in the dryer when you're done, and just step out into the rain. Take a few minutes to just embrace it and let it embrace you. And believe me, that you will see a huge difference when you step back inside, when you dry yourself down. You take a deep breath and you realize you don't have to work quite as hard to take that breath. Your shoulders don't feel as heavy. Your back doesn't feel as stiff. Your brain doesn't feel like it's full of wasps anymore. And then you'll thank the rain. Then you'll love the rain. And if you're like me, then you'll want to take any opportunity you can to step out and just be with it. Until next time, thanks for watching. Have a good day or night wherever you are in the world, and may the rain go with you. Bye for now.